So we're going to do 2-point perspective. Make sure you title at the top. Get your name and date and period number in place, top right hand corner. Put your horizon line through the middle of the paper. And this time we're using 2 points. So you're going to put 1 point way over here on the right and another point over here on the left. So we're going to draw boxes again. But this time we're going to draw the corner first. Okay, so I want you to come over 2 inches from the point. Make a very light line. Go down 2 inches. Make a little dot. And then from right there, you're going to just draw a 1-inch line. So notice it's from, I went down 2, and then from the 2 to the 3, I did a 1-point line, or a single line. We're drawing the corner this time. Notice I put dot here and a dot here. That will help you understand the next step. You're going to connect the line now. Maybe just go back 1 inch. Notice I'm holding my ruler to that point. I've got it on the 1. I'm just going to make a 1-inch line there. This is for the bottom. Then I'm going to draw a line straight up. Similar to the edge of your paper. And then I'm going to connect the top of that first line to the right point. That takes care of the right side of a 6-sided box. There'll be 4 sides and then there'll be a top and a bottom. Now we're going to use the left point. Holding my ruler so I can see that point here in the bottom of that first line we drew. Over to the left side this time. Let's go back 1 inch again. Only on the bottom. I'm only giving you measurements for these bottom 2 lines. They're 1 inch. And then I'm going to go up, straight up. Don't worry about this measurement because doing this next step is more important. Okay, so I've given you measurements 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch to get the 2 sides. Now from this point of view, we're looking at a box, and the box is located under the horizon line. So from our point of view, looking at this, theoretically looking at a box, maybe it's on a floor, on a table, we can see the top of it. So we can only see these 3 sides, side, side, and a top. To draw the top correctly, you need to connect this to the left point, and then connect this side over here, over to the right point, and where those 2 cross, clean it all up. That's the back corner. Where those 2 cross is where you'll end. Good. Let's try one more. Let's do one directly above this in the same exact spot. Remember I went up 2 inches? To keep things easy for beginning, go up 2 again, make a 1-inch line, going up to the 2, drawing a line from 2 to 3. Similar steps to this. Put a dot at the top, put a dot at the bottom. I'm going to draw a line using my ruler that goes to here. and one that goes to here. This box, theoretically, is up in the air, floating. We can see underneath it. I'm going to go back an inch, holding that ruler. If you want to be consistent with the box down below, you can. Clean up any extra lines you don't need. That's one side. Now we'll go to the other point on the other side. Draw a line down. Make it about similar size to the one down below. Straight up. I can even hold my ruler next to this one down below. This time again, because this is floating above our heads, and remember, this is your eye level, also known as a horizon line. So it's above our eyes. Our eyes are staring straight out. Now we've got to do this, what I call a crisscross, on the bottom of this box to show the bottom. Clean up the extra. And there you go. 2-point perspective.